extravagant, over the top, sassy, scrumptious. These are just few words to describe the recipe that we are going to prepare today. It's a fusion of Italian and Indian cuisine. Hi everyone, my name is Shubham and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So without further ado, let's bake a vegetable garden cake. Ingredients to use: 3 ounces of butter, handful of coriander, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of garlic bread seasoning, 11 large bread slices, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, finely chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garlic finely chopped, and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chilli. For the vegetables, we'll use 10 boiled potatoes, 1 medium bowl of corn and peas, small bowl of capsicum, and 4 carrots. For the white sauce, we'll require 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of Amul cheese slice, 2 tablespoons of butter mixed with finely chopped garlic, and 1 big mug of milk. Our last ingredient which we are going to use in the dish is lasagna sheets. Melt the butter which was kept with the chili flakes, garlic bread seasoning and finely chopped coriander. Now carefully cut all the 4 sides of all those 11 breads. Apply the melted butter which was infused with the mixture of coriander, red chili flakes and garlic bread seasoning to both the sides of the bread slice. Gently arrange all the bread slices in a cake mold as seen in the clip. Please ensure that there are no gaps left in between any bread slices. Guys, to be truthful, it's for the first time that I'm preparing this dish. Hence, it's natural if the bread slices tear or so. Do not get worried at all. You can add or fill the tone gaps with extra bread pieces. Actually, the thing that matters the most is that you enjoy the process of cooking and appreciate the art. So take a deep breath and cover up all the sides of the cake mold with the bread slices. Once done, you can keep this cake mold into the refrigerator and start with the vegetable stuffing. In a big size bowl, mash up all the boiled potatoes. In the next step, grate all the carrots. Transfer the boiled corn and peas in a mixer. For the vegetable stuffing, in a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute it well. Later on, add finely chopped pieces of garlic and 1 finely chopped piece of chili. Let them infuse in the oil. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Once it's well done, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then finely chopped coriander. Stir it well. Add capsicum to the mixture of spice and combine it well. Once done, add the mashed potatoes, grated carrot mixture, coarsely churned peas and corn in the saucepan. Combine it all well and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Once it's all done, you can add salt as per your palate requirements. To prepare the white sauce, in a saucepan add 2 tablespoons of butter with finely chopped garlic. Once the garlic infuses in the butter, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it all well until it forms a roux. Once the roux is well combined and achieves a light brown color, add milk to the roux. Stir it occasionally. Let it all cook and thicken up. Once it thickens up, add 5 slices of cheese to the white sauce. Keep the flame on medium heat and let it all become thick and creamy. Keep on stirring it well and ensure that it doesn't burn. Once it achieves the desired consistency, you can switch off the flame and let it cool. One quick note, don't lick the spatula as this white sauce is too tempting and irresistible. In the cake mold which we have covered with the bread slices, add the first layer of cheese. Beforehand, arrange all the mixtures which we have prepared, as it won't become too cumbersome and it would make the process easy. Our second step is adding the broken pieces of lasagna on top of the cheese slices. For the third layer, add the vegetable stuffing on top of the lasagna. Follow the same process, and for the last layer, add bread slices and butter on top of it. Preheat the microwave till 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the vegetable garden cake for 30 minutes in the microwave. I've removed the vegetable garden cake from the microwave after 30 minutes. So here it is, the vegetable garden cake is ready to be eaten. My house is filled with the aroma of this fusion cake. The true inspiration for this recipe was my grandmother's paratha stuffing mixture. Hence, I tried to build on it and combined it with 2 of my most favorite recipes, which are garlic bread and lasagna. That was the twist which totally transformed this recipe and gave the unique flavor to this dish. Please do try the vegetable garden cake at home. I know it's a lot of work, but cooking is all about fun and feeding your loved ones. If you like this recipe, then please do follow the drill. That is, like the video, share it with your family and friends as well as with various other acquaintances. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next Scrumptious Wednesday. Until then, bye, take care, be safe, much love.